Special Spectators. Every day they fight for their lives at the Children's Hospital OU Medical Center. Today they get to come out to an OU football game for a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity.
This week on the Sounds of Saturday!
They always say it's the happiest day of their life, and they're going through a lot. To see some enthusiasm out of them is really neat.
Feels so special. I'm a special spectator.
Even for me to be in here, it's awesome.
You want to hold a helmet? Slip that on. Slip that on. Hey, Coach, got some special guests for you.
All right.
We will destroy Idaho.
That too, I hope. Make some good decisions for me.
I hope to be a nose fight for you.
I'm going to recruit you.
I got the #1 championship. Awesome.
There we go. All right, can you put your hand in there? Okay. There, good job.
Oklahoma.
Anybody want to wear Jimmy Johnson's helmet? Looking good.
We're #1.
So Coach is going to start recruiting you. Pretty excited about that? I see. Bulldozer.
It's special because they get to do something they don't normally get to do. They get to go to a game and have fun like every other normal kid.
What's your favorite part about cheerleading?
Everybody has to be in it to win it.
This blowout means much more than just winning a game, especially for these special spectators. Now let's go celebrate.